What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is SM, and today we're breaking down exactly how to get approved for a mortgage in the USA, step by step. Buying a home is a huge milestone, and getting that mortgage approval is the key that unlocks the door. So many people get tripped up by the details or get overwhelmed and give up. But that won't be you. We'll cover everything from checking your credit score to getting the keys at closing, with strategies to help you land the best rate. If you find this helpful, tap that like button and subscribe for more money and real estate tips. All right, let's get into it. First, know your credit score. This is your financial report card, and lenders care about it a lot. A higher score means better rates. A lower score could cost you thousands over the life of your loan. Aim for at least 620 for a conventional loan, but 740 plus gets you the best deals. Check your score for free with services like Credit Karma or annualcreditreport.com. Review your report for errors, late payments, or high balances. Fix these before applying. Pay bills on time and keep your credit utilization below 30%, ideally under 10%. Don't open or close accounts right before applying. Be patient and consistent. Your score will climb. Next, figure out your real budget, not just what the bank says. Use the 28-36 rule. Keep your total housing payment under 28% of your gross income and all debts under 36%. Calculate your gross monthly income, multiply by 0.28, and use a mortgage calculator to see what you can afford. Don't forget property taxes and insurance. Save for a down payment. 20% helps you avoid PMI, but some loans allow as little as 3%. Closing costs add another 2 to 5% of the home price. On a $400,000 home, you might need $20,000, $100,000 up front. Be conservative. Don't stretch your budget. Start saving early. Now, get your paperwork ready. Lenders want proof of everything. For W-2 employees, last 30 days of pay stubs and 2 years of W-2s. Self-employed, you'll need 2 years of tax returns, a profit and loss statement, and a balance sheet. Lenders average your net income, so don't overdo write-offs. Show proof of assets, bank statements for the last 2-3 months. Any large deposits? Be ready to explain and document them. Gift money? You'll need a gift letter and proof of transfer. No cash under the mattress. Everything must be sourced and seasoned. Stay organized for a smoother process. With your documents ready, it's time for pre-approval. Pre-approval is more serious than pre-qualification. It means a lender has reviewed your finances and credit. You'll get a letter stating your max loan amount and rate, making you a strong buyer. Sellers and agents take you seriously with this letter. Fill out the lender's application, submit your documents, and expect a hard credit check. The process takes a few hours to a few days, and the letter is usually valid for 60-90 days. Now you can shop for homes with confidence. Don't settle for the first lender. Shop around. Get quotes from at least 3 to 5 lenders' banks, credit unions, and mortgage brokers. Even a small rate difference can save you thousands. Compare the APR, not just the interest rate. APR includes fees and closing costs. Ask for a standardized loan estimate from each lender. Understand your options. Conventional, FHA, VA, and USDA loans all have different requirements. Decide between fixed rate and adjustable rate mortgages. Most first-timers go with a 30-year fixed. Take your time and choose the best fit for your situation. The right rate can make a huge difference. Found your dream home and picked a lender? Time to submit your official application and enter underwriting. Sign the loan application and disclosures, provide your signed purchase contract, and lock in your interest rate. Pay for the appraisal. If the value comes in low, it could affect your loan. The underwriter will verify your job, bank statements, and the appraisal. Expect requests for more documents. Respond quickly. Don't make any big financial changes. No new debt, no job changes, no big purchases. Lenders will check your credit and employment again before closing. Keep your finances stable until you hear clear to close. Stay patient and responsive. This is the final stretch. Your diligence here keeps your deal on track. You're clear to close. The lender is ready to fund your loan. 3 days before closing, review your closing disclosure. Double-check all numbers. Bring a photo ID and a cashier's check or wire for your down payment and closing costs. Beware of wire fraud. Always confirm instructions by phone. At closing, you'll sign a stack of documents: the note, mortgage, and disclosures. Take your time and ask questions if you're unsure. Once everything's signed and funds are transferred, you get the keys. Congratulations, you're officially a homeowner. That's the full journey, from credit check to keys in hand. Review every document carefully, especially your closing disclosure. Homeownership is a huge achievement and a powerful wealth-building tool. Preparation is everything. Credit, savings, and organization make it easier. Drop your questions or tips in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more real estate and finance guides. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your...
Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey.